The case of Isaac Apodaca centers on the October 2022 death of 21-year-old Grace Jennings in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Prosecutors allege that Isaac Apodaca and his girlfriend, Kiara McCulley, planned and carried out Jennings' murder after luring her to their residence. Prosecution has relied on witness testimony, digital communications, internet search history, and forensic evidence to support their case. The defense challenges both the interpretation and reliability of key evidence. As with every criminal case, Isaac Apodaca is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.
Sure, I'm going to place you under oath. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
I do.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
If you'd introduce yourself to this jury by stating your name and spelling your name for our record, please.
My name is Jared Alire. Spelling the first name is Jared. Last name is Alire.
Mr. Long.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a Santa Fe police detective with the city of Santa Fe.
And how long have you been a detective with the Santa Fe Police Department?
I'm going on 13 years.
Did you assist in the investigation of the homicide of Grace Jennings?
I did.
And were you asked to extract or attempt to extract 3 cell phones?
Yes, I was.
How did you obtain those cell phones?
I did a request through our evidence technicians, just letting them know I needed the cell phones for a cell phone extraction.
All right. And how is a cell phone extraction conducted?
We use a computer through a platform named Cellbrite, which provides us the software and the tools to perform extractions.
All right. And how is that extraction conducted?
So we plug in the phones. It provides us step-by-step instructions of how to manipulate the phone so it could get to the phone, and it's all done through the software.
Okay. And at that time that you conducted these extractions, was that on or around October 29th, 2022?
That was the beginning part of the investigations. My portion of extracting was November 23rd, 2022.
Thank you. And on November 23rd, 2022, were you certified in the use of Cellbrite?
Yes, my certification was a Cellbrite certified physical analyst.
Okay. Were you able to conduct extractions on those 3 phones?
Yes, I was.
And did you save those extractions?
Yes, I did.
Permission to approach the witness?
Yes.
Detective, I'm going to hand you over to the United States Attorney 3. Would you please take a look at that?
Of course. Okay.
Do you recognize that?
Yes, I do.
How do you recognize it?
This was the thumb drives where I saved the extractions onto the thumb drives and placed them into evidence.
Okay. At this point, I would move State's Exhibit 73 into evidence.
Any objection to 73?
No objection, Your Honor.
73 is admitted without objection.
And I apologize, I think you just answered this, but after you saved the extractions onto those thumb drives, what did you do with those that envelope?
This envelope was then labeled, sealed, and initial dated and placed into our evidence locker room.
Okay. Detective, just real quick, do you know if Cellbrite alters any of the data on the cell phone before you extract it?
No, their software is made to safely transfer the data or extract the data without tampering any of it.
Objection, Your Honor. It's personal knowledge of the
Foundation.
And Detective, you stated that you were certified in the use of Cellbrite?
Yes, I was.
And what is that? What does one have to do in order to get that certification?
We have to take training to first get the initial certificate of it, and then every 2 years to keep the certificate going.
Okay, and do you know how long that training is?
I know it was an online one, but they gave us, I want to say they gave us about 30 to 60 days to get it completed. I don't know. I know they do have in-person trainings, I think close to 2 weeks, but I can't say exactly how many days.
Okay. And do you know anything about whether Cellbrite prevents, were you ever taught whether Cellbrite prevents alteration of data?
In our training, it says,
Yes.
Can we approach?
Yes.
Now, Detective, in any of your trainings or regarding your certification regarding Cellbrite, did you learn whether Cellbrite prevents the alteration or the manipulation of data on that phone?
In our training, in my training, I learned that their technology and their software is made to protect it and not alter any data.
All right, thank you. I pass the witness.
Cross-examination, counsel.
Yes, Judge. Hi, good afternoon, officer.
Good afternoon.
Did you use the UFED feature on Cellbrite?
Yes, it is part of the software.
Okay. And is it to detect any files that may have been deleted?
It can recover files and notes on there if there were any that were recovered that were deleted on the phone. It can detect it, yes.
Okay. And your certification, your Cellbrite certification was current when you did the dump according to your direct examination, correct?
Yes, at that time it was, yes.
Okay. And was there any peer reviews done as part of this certification?
A physical, like to analyze it?
Yeah.
No, I did not analyze any of the data.
Okay. So you didn't analyze or review any of the dump info?
No, I just made sure that it was opening correctly, and I did not analyze any of it.
Okay. And did you have the password for the device?
I
Device.
don't remember if it was already opened and unlocked, or if there was a password on the request to tell us that there was a password. I can't recall.
So you don't recall that? Okay. And now you're talking about how Cellbrite can't be altered or manipulated. That was information presented to you at some sort of training?
In my training, it did notate that that's what it's made to do, is to not alter the data.
So it's like the Cellbrite people telling you that, or people, some liaisons involved with Cellbrite telling you that it can't be altered or manipulated?
It was just in their workbooks and then an online training system that they were using.
Okay, so that was coming directly from Cellbrite.
Through Cellbrite, yes.
Yeah, they were telling you that their product cannot be altered or manipulated.
It didn't say that it cannot. It's showing that their technology is made to safely extract data without making changes.
And they didn't bring up any room for error or issues that could arise through the system?
Not that I can recall.
Okay. And are you aware, you're not aware of any security challenges or anything that Cellbrite may have faced in recent years?
Not that I know of.
So nobody discussed that with you from Cellbrite, or you don't have any information about that?
No, I'm no longer certified. I haven't taken a training since 2023, maybe. I think that's when my cert expired.
Okay. And the certification for Cellbrite, that comes directly from the Cellbrite Corporation company?
Yes, it does come from them.
Okay. Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any redirect?
No, Your Honor. The state would reserve them for rebuttal.
You're being held in reserve, so don't discuss your testimony with anyone. Don't seek out any information about the case or about the testimony of any other witnesses. The attorneys will stay in touch with you and let you know if you need to come back and testify.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You may step down. Hand that to the bailiff, please.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This concludes today's proceedings in State of New Mexico versus Isaac Apodaca. The trial continues as both the prosecution and the defense present evidence, question witnesses, and make their arguments before the court. The case has not reached a final verdict, and Isaac Apodaca remains presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Stay tuned for continued coverage of the proceedings and future trial updates.